Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix WhatsApp multiple accounts features not showing in your iPhone. To solve this, first of all, you have to check that if there is any update available in your WhatsApp application. To check it, first of all, go through the App Store and type WhatsApp on the search bar. If you see any updates are available, then click on the update. Once it gets updated, it might solve this issue, but if it does not, then it might be because of the regional restrictions. It might not be available in your location. These features are only available in some of the regions, so it might not be available in your region. Make sure that it is available. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.